Where did I go wrong? I mean, what wrong have I done?
You have done nothing wrong. Daddy, you have done absolutely nothing. Nothing.
So why are they punishing me? Why are they toying with my emotion? Why?
It's okay. With time, everything will be fine. Please.
Urena, this is not as easy as you are seeing it. My wife and my children just deserted me for no reason. I try every day to understand what happened. And nothing is registering in my head. I did not do anything wrong.
It's okay. It's okay. Like I said, with time, everything will be fine. Okay? I just need you to be strong and wait for that time. You see, Mommy, Auntie Miracle, Brother Kene, all of them will soon be here. And we'll soon live like one big family, like we used to. Please. I think this is just their time and moment, and I advise you let them have it. Okay?
When is it going to happen? When are they going to come to their senses? Is it when I die of high blood pressure? Or when I die of loneliness? Is that when they will begin to think?
Daddy, why would you even talk about loneliness when I'm here? I am here. Listen, I am your daughter and I will stand by you against all odds. I am here for you. Trust me. I just need you to be strong and wait for that time. Mommy, Auntie Miracle and Brother Kene, they will soon come back. I promise you. So, I think this is just their time and moment, and I'd advise you just let them have it. Please.
Come on. Come on! What's happening here, baby? Oh! Give it to me, baby! What are you trying to do? You want to eat me raw? Do you want to eat me raw?
I love it when you make me feel. Of course I know! Jesse! Oh! You wanna be walking? Jesse, stop!
I want to eat you raw.
Oh my gosh, come on baby, eat me!
Hey! What is going on here? What the hell is going on here? What are you doing with my sister? Miracle! You know what? A very useless big guy from a bag or whatever your name is, meet me outside. Meet me outside immediately!
What is wrong with you? Baby, calm, do the right thing, calm. We need to have fun.
Putting this up.
What is it? Huh?
Is that all you can say?
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say?
Of all places. Why our house?
You know how these things works now, huh? Just wanted to have fun with your sister, and you know this type of fun does not require a special place.
You are a madman. You are very, very stupid. You this nonsense fool. What if it was my mother that walked in there? Are you mad?
Take your hands off. Like you don't know who you're dealing with. You now raise your voice at me? Huh?
You are very, very stupid. And I'm going to do more than raising my voice at you the next time you are going to try this nonsense with my sister under our roof.
You know me. You just fire the first shot. Wait for my return.
You are a madman.
Wait for my return.
You are not going to do anything. Just like I said, the next time you are going to try this nonsense here.
And I'm still going to knock your sister. As I see your sister, she'll be like a person who will come on.
I swear to God, Ebube. The next time I'm going to see you here again, big guy or whatever your name, or Yeti, whatever your name is, I'm going to kill you now. Leave, come check it. Come on, leave my father's house. Get up. Come on, get up. Woman.
Urena, I had a dream. I had a dream of building a very strong family. Family that will always stay together, do things together, plan things together, achieve great results together. That was my dream. Look at what is happening now.
The dream is not yet defeated. Trust me.
So when is it going to happen? When?
Daddy, sometimes you make me feel like you're not happy that I stayed back. Do you want me to leave?
No. Why would you even say that? You are the reason I am still alive. Because I believe I would have died a long time ago. Had it been you left with them? No, don't say that.
Okay. Then prove it.
How?
Prove it by following me to the dining and eat something.
Okay. Okay. That is what you want. Let's go and eat.
Thank you, Daddy.
Are you happy now?
Yes.
Miracle. I ask you a question and I need an answer. Did you bring a man into this house?
Yes, Mommy.
Damn it. Oh my goodness. Miracle. How could you do a thing like this?
Mom, the truth is, we didn't plan to come here. It was a mistake and it was a mistake.
What I saw was not a mistake, Mom. If not that I walked in here the moment I did, that useless fat frog would have gone down with you on that couch.
Oh, this madness has to stop. And with immediate effect, Miracle. Next time you will bring a man into this house. In fact, next time this nonsense, ugly situation will happen here, I will so kick you out into the streets. Have I made myself clear?
Mom, it hasn't gotten to that.
It has!
You shouting.
You're stupid.
Why are you angry?
Stupid.
And you, stupid brother, you think reporting me to Mom will do anything? Get out of here!
I was expecting you to hide your face in shame. I was expecting you to hide your face in shame. What you did was very, very wrong. And not to come and sit here and defend your useless attitude. Nonsense. Let me see that fool here again.
Thank you for the food.
You are full already.
I just want to thank you. Thank you for everything.
Why are you thanking me?
I am thanking you because you are a gift from above. That's the easiest way to say it.
Yes, I know. But we are all gifts from above.
Yeah, you may be right when you say that because in line with what has been said, children are special, are gifts from God. In your own case, you are not just gift from God, you are a gift that is deeply, deeply special. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. So why do you say so?
The mere fact that you decided to stay back sees it all. You are the reason I am alive. I keep saying that. If not that you stayed back, I would have been a dead man had it been you left when they left.
But you know, I won't leave you for anything. You're my father. And no matter the accusation, I'll still stand by you.
But let me be very sincere with you, and I want to speak to you from the very depth of my heart. I did not do what your mother accused me of.
I know very much. And that was why I stayed back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are broke. There is no money in this house. So what do we do? But Kenny, is there no money in the family account?
There is no money there. I mean there is money there. I will have go and use it and at least buy fuel so that we can receive fun. What is that?
Do I know what is biting me? Ask me what is that. So what are we going to do? This is serious. I've never slept without an AC. What's this on now?
You will learn it now. You will learn how to sleep.
That was the question I asked the last time. And he's begging for an answer.
The only answer to that question is that we have to go back to Chief and request for money.
Going to Chief now is the last option. Why? Mommy, please, I wasn't born to suffer. He gave us 7 million the last time. Going again to ask for money is completely out of it.
No. Mine, we have to go back there. No. After all, we are his responsibilities and he must carry us along. Eh? How can a nurse of kin remain like this? Eh? Is it on my packaging? Is this not still finished? Come on, let me get there first.
Kenny, what is it? Why is your face like that?
There is no phone inside this car.
What do we do?
See, I don't know whether you have 10,000 with you. Just give it to me. Let me use it and buy fuel. I will give it back to you immediately. Our father give us money.
Thank you from where? Kenechukwu, I am dead broke.
You don't have 10,000 with you?
I don't.
It's alright, I have 3,000 with me. Let me go and bring it so that we can use it and enter public transport.
Public what?
Transport.
How the hell am I going to enter public transport? Kene!
Let's go now. Are you not the one that said you don't have 10,000 naira? Let's go.
This is not fair. There's no way I'm going to.
Do you have it? Are you stupid?
Why are you banging the gate?
Eh?
Why? Una won't for the gate.
Wait. Who are you talking to? Wait. You're seriously talking to the owners of the house like that? Are you insane? Do you want me to slap you?
No slap you. I don't understand what you want. Wait till I even want, sef. Wait till I want.
I don't blame you. Let us go.
I ask questions, they say, what do you want?
Kene, let's go.
Wait. You are asking me what I want in my own father's mansion.
Kene, leave this idiot.
Yeah, still. Bye.
Hey.
You have already said so many things, but you have not said the reason you are here. So I'm going to give you that last chance. In one very short sentence. Why are you here?
Bang, since you claim that you don't know why we are here from what we have been explaining here, I will make it very clear for you to understand.
Right.
We need money. Ego.
Yes.
I know. I know this is the reason you are here. Hi, God.
What is funny?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, fine. Since you claim to know why we are here because we need money.
Yes.
So please,
kindly
give us money.
Yes.
Well, let me make this thing very clear to you. I have money. I actually have plenty of it. But I do not have any money to give you.
You didn't just say that, Father.
I said it. And I mean every word I said. Giving you money is like empowering my enemies. My enemies who will turn around and use that same money to work against me.
That's so harsh. See that.
Urenna, can you please stay out of this? I am already on top of this and I am handling this to the very best of my ability.
Daddy,
stay out of it.
But they are still your children. You don't need to start them off cash.
Well, I have already taken a stand. And that stand that I have taken is final.
Okay, Chief, you don't have money to give us. Fine, Mpanyi. Have it in your mind that you have just declared war upon yourself. Yes, you are
But then you stop too. Stop. You're talking to your father. You can't talk to me in such manner.
Who is my father? I don't care about his status. In fact, he's no longer my father. From the very moment he said that he's not going to give me money for me and my sister to go and enjoy, this man here is no longer my father.
But he's innocent of all these accusations. You know.
Urenna, stay out of this. You are not the topic here. This man here is no longer my father. From the very moment he said he will not give me money, I deny him that right, and he has just declared war upon himself. Let's go. Can I say back, this man will hear from me. You have just declared war upon yourself. You say you're not going to give me money, right? There will be no peace for you. You will hear from me. Come, let us go. Leave this man. Let us go. You are only the next of you. You don't want to give me money. You have just declared war.
These are the people the people you are holding brief from, people who are completely bereft of manners.
I knew he was not going to give you the money. That man is evil. He is wicked. I don't even know what I was thinking when I got married to him.
Mpanyi just declared war upon himself. And I am going to give it to him the way he wants.
Honestly, this is getting out of hand. And Dad needs to be called to order. How are we supposed to survive without money? How?
Chief.
What if I tell you that Urena is behind all this nonsense?
Urena?
Yes.
No, Mom, I don't think so. You know why? She's been the one convincing Dad to give us money. So why will she...
That was all pretense. She did that to make you believe she is with you. But behind you, she will give Chief 101% reason why he will not give you that money. Yes.
Are you sure about this?
Yes! I am very sure of that. Urena is my daughter and I know what she's capable of doing. Urena is a chronic pretender. She is known for slandering people at their back. I am telling you. Destroying people's image. That is what she is known for. Believe it or not.
Daddy, I want you to reconsider your decision.
Urena, there is nothing to reconsider. I have already made a decision on this, and that decision is final.
But with the way they sounded, it's so obvious they are completely broke.
I don't care. Whatever they are passing through, they brought upon themselves. I did not ask them to leave. They chose to leave. So whatever thing they are passing through is not my business. I don't want to get involved in that.
No. But at least you should care. As the father of the house, you should care. Listen, Daddy, if you don't give them this money, Kenechukwu might end up doing something very stupid. And at the end of the day, it will bounce back on you.
Now listen to me. I have said this to you before. Giving Kenechukwu miracle and their more than money is more like a man empowering his enemies. And I am not going to be
There you go again. Who are you referring to as your enemy? You should not do that, Daddy. Listen, Kenechukwu is your first and only son. In Igbo land, Kenechukwu is your right hand. So you should not refer to him as your enemy.
But he made himself my enemy. Oh yes, he made himself my enemy when he started to take sides against me. Why should I be empowering that kind of individual?
But I still think you should rethink. I know that everything will be fine soon. And you know that you are a good man. And I love that for you. Okay? Nobody is your enemy. And I believe that everything will be fine very soon.
Kenechukwu already made himself my enemy. Why you not getting that?
All I want is for peace to return and everything will be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. And everything will be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fighting. But what is going on?
Hello.
Did you get the money?
No, but I'm working on it.
What?
I'm working on it, baby.
You didn't get the money. So why then did you ask to see me?
Because I miss you and I want us to spend time together.
It's not possible. Yes.
Why?
Your brother warned me never to go close to you again.
Come on, honey. He has no precedence over what we share. Okay? You cannot listen to him.
Well, I will decide if I'm going to listen to him or not when you bring the money.
Don't. Come. Honey! Babe! Jexy! Rena, it surprises me that you have not taken a rightful stand in all of this.
Well, on the contrary, I'm actually taking my stand.
Which is?
Which is uniting my family. I've told you before, I want Brother Kene, Auntie Miracle, and my mom back to this mansion. I mean, life was very beautiful when we all were living together as one big family.
You see, Rena, it amazes me when you talk like this. Why would you say a thing like that?
How? I don't think I understand what you're saying. Please add meaning to it. What do you think? What do you mean?
What I'm saying is this. Instigate your father against hating these people.
Why? Why would you even think of a thing like this?
Listen to me. This is very simple to
Okay, to what end?
Good. Once your father hates them with passion, he wills everything to you. My friend, you will enjoy life to the fullest.
Well, like I told you before, I am not interested in all of that. I've already told you what I want, and I'm going to put in everything at my disposal to make sure that my family come back together. You shouldn't even be thinking like this. Are you really my friend?
You're talking about you being comfortable for life.
I know. If I'm comfortable, my family should be comfortable as well. How do I make money? How do I spend my money without my family? Who's going to enjoy the money?
If you say so.
I say so. Don't worry. Drink up.
Urenna is right. I will just go ahead and send them money. Urenna is right. I will just go ahead and send them money before they go ahead and steal. Kenechukwu at this point will not mind to do anything that will bring shame and disrepute to my name. So to avoid that from happening, I will send them money. I need you to come now.
Hi, bro.
Mira, where have you been? I've been looking for you.
I went to fix up some things.
Okay. I want to ask you a very important question, and I want you to give me intelligent answer.
And what is that? I'm listening.
What do you think about what Mom told us about Urenna?
Well, I think I have to go with Mom on that.
Why?
Because Urenna is a huge pretender. And the little I know about pretenders, they are the worst kind of people to deal with.
How do you mean?
See, bro, Pretenders are like rats. They beat you in a particular place and blow cold air, so you do not realize they are actually beating you. And they will continue doing that until you are completely destroyed. See, Reina is trying to play fast one on us.
If that is the case, I am going to deal with Urena. I will so deal with Urena to an extent that she will be begging for mercy, but mercy will be far from her.
On that note, bro, I would have to tag along with you. Yes.
She is minute and insignificant. Dealing with her will not take me anything, so I would prefer to do it my way.
Really?
Yes.
I'll be inside.
That useless little witch is also a useless pretender. I will finish her. Nonsense.
Well, I have pondered over the things you say, and I have decided, made up my mind, I will send them the money.
Really? Thank you so much, Daddy. I said it, you are the best father in the whole world.
I believe you still have Kelechibu's account details,
Yes,
right?
yes I do.
Good. Forward the details to my accountant and ask her to send 2 million naira to them.
Okay. But I was thinking you should make it up to 5 million.
Are you actually aware I'm doing this because of you? If not that you ask me, I will not send even a dime to them. So don't ask me to send anything more than what I've already decided to send.
It's okay. You've done enough already. Let me just go on. Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you.
All I want is for peace to return and everything may be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fighting. But what is going on? We all are scattered and going solo. We should be bonded in love as one big happy family. But no, but why? Why hating on one another when we should be strong together? Cause together we stand, divided we fall. I wish we can come together as one. All I want is for peace to return.
What is wrong with this guy? Oh my goodness.
All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fighting. But what is going on? We all are scattered and going solo. We should be bonded in love as one big happy family. But no. All I want is for peace to return and everything
What is wrong?
okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love, looking out for each
Bro?
other.
Mommy's not yet back.
Yes.
What could she still be doing in the market?
I don't know.
I think you need to call her.
I've tried her number twice. It's switched off.
Switched off?
Yes. What is this? What kind of rubbish is this? What is this?
What?
Just take a look at this.
What the hell? What nonsense? Like, what can 2 million naira do for us? What is 2 million naira?
Okuman, they try me. Mpanye is trying me. Eh? Or is it Urenna that also told him to give us 2 million naira instead of 7 million naira he normally gives us?
Wait, what were you thinking? Of course she's responsible. That girl is so silly, wicked, annoying, and stupid. What? What the hell are we going to use 2 million naira for?
At this point, Mira, at this point, I'm telling you the truth. At this point, we need to take it up from here. If Rudenna, we need to destroy that girl. I can't take this. You owe me 2 million naira. For what? 2 million naira? Oh, you're going to Ghana for 1 week?
What happened to the car?
I was just driving this car. All of a sudden, the car stopped. All efforts to start this car has proven abortive. I don't even know what to do again. I am just tired. Please help me.
The engine don't knock.
What do you talk?
I say your engine don't knock. The engine of the car don't knock.
My engine has knocked. What are you saying? Oga Mechanic, are you sure you learnt this job very well?
I learned my job well.
Eh?
I learned my job well.
Oga, I am not sure. Because this car, I have not driven this car for 5 years now. It's a new engine.
Madam, even that 5 years in the talk. This car will never change the oil for that 5 years in the talk. Now I make the engine knock.
The car that I'm just driving now. How possible? Come on. Oh my goodness.
Only way you go do, make this your engine. Either you buy a new car or you buy a new engine to replace them.
Huh? Oh.
Madam, do that. Get other people to go attend with.
Please, don't add to my stress. I am so stressed already. Don't add to it. Because if you don't know how to do it,
don't me knock your engine, madam. Do. I get other people and go attend with.
Urena, you're looking very excited. What is the good news?
I just confirmed they've received the money.
Did they call you to tell you they received the money? Did they call you to confirm that the money is with them? So how did you get to know?
The accountant called.
Confirming that she has sent the money? You see what I mean? They have received the money and they never bothered to call me to thank me. I told you we are dealing with a bunch of ingrates and I don't know why you don't want to get that.
They will still call. Trust me.
I can bet you that they are not going to call. You are thinking that they will call. They will not call. I know the people.
They will call. Don't worry. They will call. Then once again, thank you so much for sending the money.
How I wish they are here to see the kind of effort you are making to make them happy. How I wish.
They don't need to be here. They don't need to see it. I mean, I'm just doing it for the family. And I honestly cannot wait to see us back again as one big family.
I pray for them too. But I can bet you that someday you will be so shocked to see yourself being accused by them of being the one that is preventing them from having unhindered access to me.
They won't. You're just overthinking. Don't worry, they won't.
You know, your problem is that you do not know the true color of ingrates. Ingrates, you can never master their color.
They can't. Stop.
Wait. Let me get this straight. You mean your father sent you 2 million naira only?
Mother, can you just imagine that rubbish?
When you got there to ask for money, did you tell him you only needed money for biscuit and ice cream? Because as far as I'm concerned, the 2 million naira is for biscuit and ice cream.
Come on, Mom, we're not silly. There's no way we would go to Dad for biscuits and ice cream money. Hell no.
Then why did he send 2 million naira only? Instead of the usual frustrated 7 million naira he normally sends?
Mother, I don't have answers to that question.
At this point now, do you need any other proof that your father is not only an evil man, but also wicked? Do you need another reason?
Honestly, Mom, I was so surprised when Kenneth showed me 2 million. Like, 2 million naira for what? Why would they insult us that way?
I think maybe we should just return that useless 2 million naira.
Huh? You don't return money. Instead, you go there and ask for more.
Yes.
I say. Nigerian Nollywood.
And you feel that is the right thing to do.
It is the right thing. If you don't need to give it to me. Look at you. You want to return what?
Yes. Where is Chief?
He's not around.
Chief is not around. Hello? Mpai. I am currently inside your mansion with my sister. Where are you?
Is that the greeting I am supposed to get from you?
Epa, forget about my greetings now. It's not really important. Where are you?
Then fine. I am busy.
Huh?
What did he say?
Chief said that he is busy.
What? Look, Brenna, whatever thing you are planning will not work. Because Chief is our father and we are very much entitled to his money.
I'm lost. What are you saying?
I'm talking about you poisoning his mind not to give us money. You very much know what I'm saying.
Sister, I've actually been the one advocating on Ibube's behalf.
It is not true. And you just confirm to us now that you are very good in lying. Your time is up. I would advise you for your own good. Whatever useless game you think you are playing with our father, hang it up. Else, you will have me to contend with.
And that's all we have to tell you for now. Because we got our eyes on you. Kene, let's go.
Nonsense.
I know it will get to this point. I know that those people will start pointing accusing fingers at you.
It's funny. Because I've been the one fighting for them. I mean, it's so funny how they see me as their enemy.
I'm happy you now know they see you as the enemy. And you should start seeing them as your enemy too.
I can't do it. Trust me. I can't do it. Yes. Well, why do you want me to do it? It has not gotten to that.
You should. And one of the ways to start is by blocking them from getting money from your father.
That's so harsh. No, you're taking it too far. Look, if I should do that, it will choke them financially. And I'm not ready to see that happen.
Rina, why are you this soft?
It's not like I'm too soft, but...
Look, if these people should have their way, they'll kill you.
Like I still said, you are the one taking this whole issue too far. It's not that deep. Trust me. They cannot kill me. It's just that they are angry, which I understand them. They're just angry. Trust me.
I just wish that God will open your eyes so you can see what they have against you.
They don't have anything against me. Let me go and give you juice. You take juice, right? Come, let me get you juice.
Thank you.
All I want is for peace to return. Everything may be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything will be okay.
Why is this man so weak? Yeah? Why has he decided to frustrate us, suffocate us financially?
Urena is wrong with you. And until you take care of that girl, your father may not give you any money. I think it's high time I dealt with that girl. I am done condoning her.
Same here.
How do we go about it?
I will bring in JT, a very rugged guy from Abadan.
What for?
He is the 001 of all the bad boys in this town.
Kenny, how did you get to know about that?
How I get to know about it is not the topic we are going to sit down here and talk about. I will bring him in, discuss everything with him. From there, he will know exactly what to do.
No. Discuss with him and get back to us. Oh? Let us know what to do.
Yes. Right. Fun.
What is it?
Are we quarreling? Don't you want to have a handshake with me?
Nigga, say what you want to say and let me get the fuck out of this place.
Are we quarreling?
Do you know the things you said to me the last time we met is still fresh in my brain? You insulted me. You humiliated me. What do you want me to do for you? Why do you request to see me?
My guy, please. I need your help.
Oh yes, I thought as much. The only time you know about my existence is when you want me to do something for you. So this time around, I am going to disappoint you. I'm not going to help you.
My guy, I beg.
Fuck you.
See, my guy, JT, a very big guy. Big guy. My guy, no reason I'm like this now. You are taking this in too far, beg. Big guy. Hey. Which guy? Like this? Sit down.
Urena, I have decided that you should take over as the MD of all my businesses, both here in Nigeria and abroad.
Daddy, why?
Because I consider you worthy to be the one in charge. And that is why I have made that decision.
No.
This is the file.
Daddy, slow down. Don't rush. Calm down.
I don't understand.
Daddy, you have a right-hand man in Kenechiko. But Kenechiko is your only son. You should know just... Daddy, do you know what you want to do? Okay, fine. You can give it to him, then I can assist him in running the business. and not handing everything to me. No.
You may be right in your argument. But the question that is begging for an answer is, where is Kenechukwu as we speak?
You don't need to judge based on what is happening now. Everything will be okay. He will come around.
He will come around when? Why do you keep saying that he will come around? Is it when I'm dead that he will come around?
When you are dead, why would you even say that? Oh, because people are saying you are an old man. You think you are old. You are not old. You are just in your 60s.
Okay, I am in my 60s and you believe I am still very normal? I am still very young? For your information, life expectancy in our country has dropped to abysmal 55 years. It simply means that those of us in our 60s who are still living, we are living by the grace of God. Anybody can drop dead at any point in time. Always bear that in mind.
Okay.
How did it go?
He refused giving me a listening ear.
What? Why?
Because I walked him out of this compound in a very bad manner the last time he visited here.
Was it the day he was with Miracle?
Yes.
He deserves what he got. It serves him right. So he should not even bear grudges against you.
Well, that is not going to be a problem. I'll help talk to him and get back to you.
Please do. And do everything within your powers to play this game with us and for us, please.
I will, Mom.
Be good, Mom.
Wow, this is the best offer I've ever seen. A man giving to his daughter.
Yes, but though it sounds good, but
But what? No. Don't tell me you didn't take the offer.
I actually didn't. I did it.
Why?
We have a son in this house. We have a male child in this house. And he's the one that's supposed to be managing the family business and not me.
Rina, there is no law that states that the first son must be in charge of the family business. The running of the business is open for anyone.
I know. I know that I have a brother. He should be the one managing it. The only thing I have to do is just to assist him. Nothing else. I cannot do more than that too.
Do you know you are spewing the sugar placed in your mouth by your father?
Listen to me. I just want you to understand something. I am not an opportunist. And I will never be one, no matter what is at stake. I don't know how you will see it though, but me, I don't fancy all those things.
I think I need a glass of water.
Okay. No problem, let me get you.
Look, I'm sorry I can't render the help your brother is asking of me.
Why being harsh to myself and my brother? Why?
No, what are you
Come on, JT, it's me you're talking to.
What are you saying? I don't have issue with you. It's your brother, alright?
Look at you. You don't even know this is a business that is going to bring us good money.
Are you serious? It's
Yes.
about money.
Ooh.
No. Don't tell me you're joking. It's about money?
Look at you. I know you love money, bad boy.
How much are we talking about? How much are we talking about?
Okay, wait. Don't be in a hurry. You know what? I'm going to tell you. But definitely not in this place.
Where?
We're going to your house, in your arms, and maybe have some. Well, I tell you, crazy.
Are you sure that Miracle will be able to convince Jetty to do this?
Yes, of course, Mom.
Eh?
Yes.
How sure are you?
She is his babe, and she knows how to get into his head. She can do it.
Okay. Let's pray it works.
Mom, just relax your mind. It's going to work. I trust my sister.
What are you doing here?
I came to see my family. Is there anything wrong with it?
We cease to be family the very day you decided to work against us here.
Against you? How?
I know you don't know what I'm talking about, right? But I don't need to repeat myself like a broken record.
Well, I honestly do not know what you're talking about. Trust me, I don't know.
Pretense! Pretense! That is all you know. That is your game. But I am not here to hear all you have to say. Now leave.
Can I talk to you, Brother Kenny?
If you dare mention my name, I swear I am going to forget the fact that you are my little sister and tear you into pieces.
But I don't know why you are this angry. Like, what did I do? What's the problem?
You have done everything wrong, and if you don't leave here this minute, I swear you will be the one responsible for whatever that happened to you here.
Get out, little witch! Let us go. Let us go leave this witch here. Nonsense. Smelling pig.
You are lucky that my mother said, yeah, if I mistakenly go in and come back and
don't waste 1 second, yo! Don't waste 1 second!
Oh, hi, sister.
Hi, Yuri. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're welcome. You came to see us?
Yes, but I want to start going.
Why?
That is because Mommy didn't welcome me, so I need to leave now.
Oh my goodness, why would Mom do? You know what? I think Mom was in a bad mood. Okay, come sit, let's chat.
Don't worry, I'll probably come some other time.
Really? Okay, that will be fine. Feel free to come whenever you like, okay?
Alright.
Bye. Bye.
All I want is for peace to return and everything may be for us to live.
By the time we are done with you, you will regret coming into this family. Silly thing.
United and bonded in love, looking out for each other with no fight. But what is going on? We all are scattered and going solo. We should be bonded in love as one big happy family. But no, but why? Why hating on one another? Well, we should be strong together. Cause together we stand, divided we fall. I wish we can come together as one.
Hello?
I was thinking you are an intelligent man. But little did I know that I was wrong all this while.
I feel you are calling wrong number. Check the number you just called and then you call the right one.
Am I not onto someone that calls himself Nkwachukwukwela?
Okay. What do you want?
Why did you ask your daughter to come beg me? Can't you be a man and come and ask your wife for forgiveness?
You must be developing some mental problems. How can you say that? I did not send you, Renna, to beg you for anything. You yourself, you should be the one teaching people about this man. Nkwachukwukwele ndị njikọ ọka The one you know cannot do a thing like that. What are you saying?
You see, one thing I hate about you is that you pretend a lot. Why don't you come yourself and ask me for forgiveness? In fact, you will come with a new car. I could possibly think about it and forgive you.
Listen to me. Michael Obadiegu, Esquire of blessed memory, taught me when I was very young to identify people that are serious and people who are not. I have identified you as one of those who are never serious.
I'm not serious, right? Hello? Hello? Hello?
You needed to see the way they humiliated me. The things that were coming out from their mouth, like the anger, you could see the bitterness.
They have given you a lot of signs that should anything happen to your father, you are gone.
I think at this point you're right.
Being right is an understatement. You understand me? So we need to brave up. Because should anything happen to your father,
I'll do something about this. Honestly.
There is nothing to do there. Your father, Chief, has given you the opportunity. So grab it. He has given you the opportunity to stand taller than them. Take that opportunity. Take the offer, please.
Kene.
Yes?
The only question I have is, can he do it? Because this is exclusively huge.
JT can do it. Taking Rena out of the way is the easiest thing.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I've always known my boyfriend is a bad boy. But I didn't know he was this bad. Taking someone out of the picture?
Miracle, that is because you do not want to know.
Honestly, this... Miracle, how did it go?
It went well, Mom.
He's in?
It's solid, yes.
That's good. Did you tell him the nature of what he's coming to do for us?
I told him a bit more. He knows, but I would love Kenneth to explain to him in details.
I'm going to do that immediately.
That's right.
A minute.
Alright. So the thing is, after a long range of thought, I have agreed to become the next MD of the family business.
Now you are talking.
It's not like I don't like charity or I'm against charity. It's just that I feel it's somehow willing your properties to charity when you have children that can handle it in a most appropriate way.
Well, I don't have any problem with how you decide to feel. The feeling is yours. You are entitled to your opinion. But I remember telling you, and I hope you remember saying, when you take charge, you must not transfer any part of the family business to your mother or siblings. Understood?
Yes, you said it before.